Hi, this tutorial show you turn off YouTube dark mode and switch back to light theme on Android in 2026, giving you a clean, bright interface and an improved viewing experience with easy settings changes. Go to the YouTube app menu and ensure you are signed in to the correct account you want to modify. Next, tap your profile picture or the U tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access account options. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu for customization controls. After that, select General and tap Appearance from the list of available settings options. Now, choose Light Theme to disable dark mode and immediately switch your interface back to a brighter layout. Finally, exit settings and your YouTube interface will automatically update to light mode for improved readability and comfort. If you do not see the appearance option immediately, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store to access all new interface settings and improvements. You can also restart the app after changing the theme settings to ensure the light theme is applied correctly across all screens including home feed, search results, and video playback pages. This setting is useful for users who prefer a brighter interface during daytime usage as it reduces eye strain and improves readability, especially in well-lit environments or outdoor conditions. Always ensure your app permissions and display settings are properly configured for the best viewing experience. Following these steps helps you switch smoothly from dark mode to light theme without confusion or performance issues on your devices.